Welcome to this in-depth review of Moonlet Wallet, your gateway to managing cryptocurrencies with ease and security. Moonlet Wallet is a decentralized cryptocurrency wallet designed to simplify the way you store, send, and receive digital assets. This wallet supports multiple blockchains, making it a versatile option for users looking to manage various cryptocurrencies in one place. From a sleek, intuitive interface to robust security measures, Moonlet Wallet delivers everything you need in a crypto wallet. Upon opening the wallet, you'll notice its simple and user-friendly design. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced users. You can quickly set up your wallet by creating a new one or importing an existing one with a seed phrase. Moonlet ensures your private keys remain under your control, reinforcing the principle of decentralization. Navigating through the wallet, you'll find options for managing assets, tracking portfolio performance, and even staking supported cryptocurrencies. The staking feature allows you to earn rewards by participating in network validation, providing an additional income stream for users who hold certain tokens. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. One of Moonlet Wallet's standout features is its integration with hardware wallets like Ledger. This feature enhances security by keeping your funds offline and less vulnerable to online threats. The wallet also supports Silica, Ethereum, and other blockchain ecosystems, making it a versatile tool for blockchain enthusiasts. The wallet's transaction history is detailed and transparent, allowing you to keep track of every move you make. Additionally, Moonlet incorporates high-end encryption and biometric authentication for an extra layer of protection. You can be confident that your assets are secure. For those seeking a seamless experience in managing their crypto assets, Moonlet Wallet offers an unparalleled solution. It's available on both mobile and desktop, ensuring you have access to your funds anytime, anywhere. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button.